So let's say what you'd want to do is in this picture, you want to go ahead and quickly remove out a portion. Let's say this bunch of rock right here. So for that, you can utilize something called the Inpainting Brush Tool. So for that, you can go around over here onto Pixel, and over here on the left hand side, if you were to click and hold on this brush area, you can see the Inpainting Brush Tool. So over here, once you select it, you can change around the brush size as you want. And then as you click and drag over any area, what happens is that it replaces it out. It's a healing brush tool right here, which allows you to go ahead and correct out a portion of the picture just by drawing over it. So let's say, for example, you want to remove this cloud, simply go ahead and draw over it. And then what happens is that that particular area will be smoothened out. You can go around over here and change around, let's say, for example, the flow level of it right here, and change around different brush settings as you would like. And you can even go ahead and utilize stabilizer and so forth. You can go ahead and then choose this for only current layer or the layer beneath it as well if you have multiple layers. And that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the Inpainting Brush Tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe